Hello everyone! Today, we are going to explore a fundamental topic in chemistry, the difference between adsorption and partition chromatography. Understanding these two separation techniques is crucial for anyone studying or working in analytical science. Let's break down how they work and what makes them unique. First, let's talk about adsorption chromatography. Imagine a solid surface that likes to grab onto things. In adsorption chromatography, the stationary phase is a solid material. Common examples include silica gel or alumina. These materials have active sites on their surface. When a mixture passes over this stationary phase, the different components in the mixture stick to these active sites with varying strengths. This sticking process is called adsorption. It's like different magnets having different strengths when trying to hold onto metal pieces. Some molecules will adsorb strongly and move slowly. Others will adsorb weakly and move faster. The mobile phase, which is a liquid or gas, then washes the components along. Separation happens because of these differences in how strongly each compound adsorbs to the solid stationary phase. Think of thin layer chromatography, or TLC, as a classic example of adsorption chromatography. Now, let's move to partition chromatography. This technique works differently. Here, the stationary phase is not a solid surface directly. Instead, it's a liquid layer coated onto an inert solid support, or sometimes it's a liquid chemically bonded to a solid support. The mobile phase is another liquid or a gas. In partition chromatography, the components of the mixture distribute themselves, or partition, between these two immiscible phases, the stationary liquid phase and the mobile phase. It's like shaking oil and water together. Some compounds will prefer to dissolve in the oil layer, and others will prefer the water layer. Separation occurs based on the differences in solubility of the components in the stationary liquid phase versus the mobile phase. Compounds that are more soluble in the stationary phase will spend more time there and move slower. Compounds more soluble in the mobile phase will move faster. Paper chromatography and most types of high-performance liquid chromatography, HPLC, are good examples of partition chromatography. So, what are the main differences? In adsorption chromatography, the stationary phase is a solid, and separation relies on surface adsorption. Molecules stick to the surface. In partition chromatography, the stationary phase is a liquid, often coated on a solid, and separation relies on the differing solubilities of compounds between two liquid phases. Adsorption involves physical sticking, while partition involves dissolving and distributing. The interactions are fundamentally different. Thank you for watching and learning with me today. If you found this explanation helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more science content, and leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Your support helps us create more videos like this.